So, welcome back to another episode of Monthly Passive Income. And for November, we are going to make $1,010 in the next 28 days by December 3rd, 2021. So, right now for my portfolio, I have exited a couple of trades automatically. So, these are automatic triggers. So, basically, let me just go back here. UAL positions are all exited at a profit that I intended, which is at 90% profit. And then afterwards, my goose positions are also exited as well, so I don't have any of that anymore. So basically, that frees up the amount of cash for this week's episode. So today is November 5th. If you're wondering why I'm living in the future, is because I'm in Hong Kong time zone. So I have 3 positions entered today. The first one is Intel, December 3rd, 2021, and the put strike is $50. So the premium that I'll be earning, $74, taking profits at 90%. So this one is low risk, is what I consider. So this is actually something we cover in Investing Accelerator. The second one is NIO, December 3rd, 2021, put strike $35. Premium earned is $153, take profit at 90% again. So I consider this one to be medium risk, and if you have been following my channel here, you'll realize that this is the second time I'm selling a NIO put option. The third one is high risk, which is selling Disney December 3rd, 2021, put strike $180. The premium earned here will be $783. So take profit at 90% again. So far, the capital used will be $27,000. So this actually includes margin. So then if you calculate the return, which is 7.4%, so this is actually return on invested capital, which means the amount of money I actually have in my portfolio. So that is for the next 28 days. And my total capital in the account is $20,000. And right now I'm growing that to $21,936. So for these 3 trades, if you just prorate, the marginalized return will be 89% for the year. So that is okay. So if you haven't gotten the trading log, or if you want to access the trading log, then that's the trading log. It is updated right now with 3 trades, 7, 8, and 9. And then I'll paste the YouTube link in here shortly. And here you can see that for the upper 4 trades, they are all exited at intended profit. So the capital I have invested so far is $20,000. I'll be increasing this amount maybe in the near future. So right now, for the last month or so, my return is 11.75%. That is a cumulative return up till end of November. So you can get this trading log in the description, and you can also join the waitlist as well. So I'll see you once I exit more positions.